Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of party decorations, with a focus on the best tacos and tequila-themed backdrop available in the market. If you're planning a Cinco de Mayo celebration or any Mexican-themed event, this backdrop might just be what you need. Let's explore. This is the Rsuuinu Mexican Fiesta backdrop, designed for those who want to add a splash of color and festivity to their parties. It features a vivid design with elements like tacos, tequila, and colorful lights, capturing the essence of a lively Mexican celebration. First off, let's talk about the size and quality. It measures 7 by 5 feet, making it suitable for various party settings without overwhelming the space. The backdrop is made from soft fabric, ensuring durability and ease of handling. Plus, it's non-fading and non-reflective, which means you'll get crisp, vibrant photos every time. Setting this up is a breeze. Whether you're using it for photography sessions, as a cake table banner, or even for a live broadcast. Its lightweight design and included tips for reducing creases make it a practical choice. Now, let's talk versatility. This backdrop isn't just for parties. It's a versatile tool for creating memorable moments. Use it for photo booths, video shoots, or as a decorative piece for your event. The lifelike colors and detailed printing ensure a professional look without the hefty price tag. Here's a pro tip. If you need a customized backdrop with specific sizes, colors, or even personalized messages, Rsuuinu offers that option too. Just reach out to them via Amazon for more details. In conclusion, if you're looking to transform your next celebration into a vibrant fiesta, the Rsuuinu Mexican Fiesta backdrop is a fantastic choice. It combines quality, affordability, and versatility, making it a must-have for any tacos and tequila-themed party. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.